Welcome back to the Cafeteria Table Debate. I'm your host Ari. And today we're talking the big question, makan bergizi gratis or MBG, a massive success or a complicated flu. I'm personally a big believer in MBG, but we promise a fair fight. Today, standing for the program, we have the brilliant Min, Zidan and Zahra, and challenging MBK, we have the critical thinker, Hafiz. Let's start with Zahra. Tell us why MBK is so important for student and family.
MBK is key because it gives parents a break. It community reduce the burden of financial stress on our families to pay a healthy, balanced meal every morning plus eating together promotes social body in the classroom. It is about community.
Bonding over the same boring food every week, Zahra?
Hala and Hafiz, the core benefit is qualitative nutrition. This is not just about fun food, it's about giving our brains the fuel they need to ace the math test. Better nutrition means better focus and performance.
I fully agree with Zidan and Zahra. I would add that the program bring equity to your camp at your school. Every student get a hot decent meal regardless of their family's income, and it incredible practical and save us valuable time during the short lunch break. Okay, Hafiz, the protein has hit hard on equity and nutrition. Hafiz, what your biggest counterpoint?
My biggest complaint is the monotony and lack of choice. The menu is the same rotation. When we can choose, the meal feel like a chore, and honestly, the taste is often bland, which leads to skipping the healthy stuff. MBK is forcing conformity, and conformity leads to waste. Ari, Zidan, Zahra, I see massive food waste every single day because of the wrong tasty of our portion size. Plus the logistic are a hook problem, delay, cold food, and the enormous amount of single-use packaging. Waste is just terrible of the environment.
These are fair points, especially about waste, Hafiz. But the lack of choice is the cost of guaranteeing a standard of nutrition for everyone. Zidan, how do we address the real issue of waste?
We need to distinguish between the program purpose and execution. We can participate by creating a student feedback loop for manual adjustment. The goal of health and equity is the important to scale over to execution.
I agree. Instead of stopping out the program, this advocates for better environmental practice is using reflections of compassion differently. The spawns the program that helps so many families financially and teams just because the school was solves the one's problem yet.
Excellent final points. Let me wrap up your defense. The issue raised by Hafiz are about fine-tuning, not failure. We can solve the packaging, we can demand table development, and we can offer more menu variety. But the fundamental win of MBK Equity, guaranteed, full for learning, and stars reduction is too valuable to dismiss. So, to summarize your heated debate, MBK is championed by its supporters. For the who, positive benefit it brings to healthy, equality, and daily convenience. The critic, Hafiz, rightfully point out the necessary improvement need in test variety and waste management. Thank you, Widan, Zahra, and Hafiz, for proving that MBK is certainly worth debating. The conversation needs to continue so we can make this already good program great. See you next time on Cafeteria Table Debate. Ciao.
One is the loneliest number that you'll